Today we will discuss equivalent names. Think of it as a person or thing that have different names, but the names refer to the same person or thing. Use me for an example. Mrs. Brooks and Althea. These are my equivalent names. It's the same person. In your blue binder, you have a name collection box. We are going to write all the names that represent 7. So in your blank name collection box, we're going to put a 7 here because that's what all these names are going to represent 7. So you could write seven tally marks. You might draw a domino and put 2 on one side and 5 on the other. You might do 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7, or 1 plus 6. How about 3 plus 4, or 4 plus 3? They both equal 7. 10 minus 3. You could draw 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could draw pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, inside the circles, we're going to write the letter P to represent penny. My marker is one of the fatter markers, so it's hard to see that. What about 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, that equals 7. How about drawing some die, or dice in this matter? I would have maybe 3 and 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. What about 1 more than 6? That represents 7. I think that's it. I could be missing one. Maybe, what about 9 take away 2? 9 minus 2. Okay, so all of these represent the number 7. So pretty easy, right? Now I want you to try a few on your own. On page 126, you're going to write everything that represents the number 11. Write other names that represent 12. So they've given you a few. You have to write a few more. Number 3, cross out the names that don't belong in this box. In this box, you're representing the number 10. So you're going to cross off the ones that don't belong. And then you're going to make your own. So I would like you to add 4 or 5 to number 1, number 2, and number 4. So you have to add 4 or 5 more. So they already have some in here. See if you can add 4 or 5 to here, 4 or 5 to here, and 4 or 5 to here. Okay? This one you're Xing out the ones that do not belong. Then turn over to page 127. Use the base 10 blocks to use longs and cubes, so 10s and 1s to show the number 31. I know you don't have base 10 blocks at home, but you could use pasta to represent 10s and 1s. You could use pencils and pennies, so pencils could be your talls representing your 10s, and your pennies could be your cubes representing 1s. You're going to draw them anyway, but if you need the manipulatives, you can use something around your house, something long that represents a 10, something that's a cube that's small that represents the 1s. So you're going to finish this page. You're going to find 76 on the number grid. What is 10 more? What is 10 less? Is it easier for you to use blocks or the number grid to find 10 more and 10 less and explain? Okay. Then I want one more page today. It seems like we have a lot of math today, but I know you can do it. Math boxes, page 128. Counting by tens, true or false. What's in the tens digit? Addition problems, and writing for reasoning. Betty has 25 red pens and 35 blue pens. Archie has 35 red pens and 25 blue pens. Do Betty and Archie have the same number of pens? How do you know? So you're going to draw me a picture or explain how you figured that problem out. Okay, when you're done, don't forget to post to Seesaw. I can't wait to see your work.